In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to install WordPress on your local computer using XAMPP right here on Windows 10 or 11. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own fully functional WordPress site, ready for testing, experimenting, and building without needing any web hosting yet. Let's dive right in. This is a great way to learn WordPress in a safe space, and your future self will thank you for mastering this skill. To start, we need XAMPP. If you haven't heard of it, XAMPP is a free and easy-to-install package that turns your computer into a mini web server. So head over to the XAMPP website, download the installer for Windows, and run it. The installation process is pretty straightforward, just follow the on-screen prompts. After installation, open up the XAMPP control panel. You'll see several modules here. The two most important for our WordPress install are Apache, which handles the web server, and MySQL, which manages the databases. Go ahead and click Start next to both Apache and MySQL. You should see their status turn green, meaning they're running successfully. If you run into any permission pop-ups or firewall messages, just allow them. These services are necessary for your local site to work. And don't worry if Apache asks to use port 80 or 443, these are standard web ports. Now let's grab WordPress itself. Head over to WordPress.org and download the latest version as a zip file. Once the download finishes, unzip it right there in your Downloads folder. The extracted folder will be called WordPress by default. Here's a helpful tip. Before we move it anywhere, let's rename this folder to match the name you want your local website to have. For example, call it MyWebsite or whatever you like. This folder name will become part of your local site's address, so pick something simple. Next, it's time to put those files where XAMPP can find them. Open up your XAMPP installation folder. By default, this is usually on your C drive at c/XAMPP/htdocs. Move or copy your newly renamed WordPress folder straight into this htdocs directory. Think of htdocs as the starting point or root for all your web projects in XAMPP. With your files in place, we need to create a database for WordPress to use. Open your web browser and type in http://localhost/phpMyAdmin/. You'll land on a web interface that lets you manage all your MySQL databases. Click on the Databases tab at the top, and you'll see an option to create database. Enter a name, maybe phpMyWebsite, to make it easy to remember, and click Create. That's it, your future site now has a dedicated data storage spot. Let's connect it all together. Stay in your browser and head to http://localhost/mywebsite/. Use the folder name you picked earlier. You should see the WordPress setup wizard. Start by selecting your language and clicking Let's Go. Now WordPress will ask for database details. For the database name, enter the one you just made, like phpMyWebsite. The username is root. Password, leave this empty, yes blank, and make sure the database host is localhost. WordPress uses these details to connect and store your site content. Click Next and you'll be guided through creating your main admin account in the site title. Pick a strong password. Remember, even on localhost, it's good practice. Once you finish, WordPress will install itself in a few seconds. Congratulations! You can now log into your brand new local WordPress site by going to http://localhost/mywebsite/wp-admin using the credentials you just set up. And there you have it, WordPress running locally on your computer, ready for anything you want to build or test. If you hit any snags along the way, pause or replay the steps, and don't hesitate to ask questions down in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and happy building.